Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I said I was going to quit, but I did this other pattern with the impact tool, and I think it just started in Corel X8. And so if you have X8 or above, you can do this pattern with the impact tool. It's pretty cool. So your impact tool is underneath your flyout for your polygon tool, and we're just going to draw one here. I'm going to hold down the control button to get a perfect circle. And then click on it, and you can change this to, like, say 2. Whoop, 0.2, sorry. I need to back completely up. Whenever you do something in the impact tool, you need to 0.02. There we go. Let's go 0.04. That'll work. Then left click, right click, and really that's too thick. Let's go 0.03 because you want them separated a little bit. And you've got a black line, so we want to go to white with our contour, and we're going to hit right there, and there you have it. That's exactly what I did. These were a little thicker and they were actually touching, so I think this will actually make a better effect. And you could do the opposite. Let's make this line white, and let's make sure it's a half a point. See, it's a hairline. You can't do anything with a hairline when you're contouring it. You can't see it because it's white, but it's there, and this time we need to go to black. So it's going to be just the opposite. It's going to come up at you where this one is, and that's almost bad on your eyes right there. I actually think the other way is better, to use the black. Go left click, right click black, make sure it's a hairline or make sure it's not a hairline, and then contour it to white. I think that'll give you the best effect. That's actually a little bit thick. But we've already done our contour, so we can't change the line, but here we can't. Well, that's what I did. I went too far back. We need to change this to 0.03 to separate them a little bit. There we go, and then just contour that. Click on it, contour it to white, and you'll get a pretty neat effect. The picture really doesn't do it any justice. And the bigger you make this, the more pronounced these will be. Let me zoom in here a little bit. And you can see, I mean, they're actual points and everything else is taken away. So that's the impact tool, and I'm sorry if you don't have Corel X8 or above. That's just for that. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.